So hey, we're at 509 Wellesley in Norton Shores. This is part of the Rudemont subdivision. It was developed by Mr. Bennett from Bennett Pump in the 50s or just before that. And this was the second phase that was built later in the 60s and 70s. This house is 4 bedrooms, has 2 full baths, and it's in beautiful condition, ready to move into. Come on in. So we've got a nice big formal living room here. And we'll go on to show you the new kitchen. So come check out the kitchen. We have new cabinets, a large island that you can sit at, and a nice dining area for your family. Come on up here and you can see our 3 large bedrooms, all with beautiful wood floors. So we've got a big master here, a really nice ceiling fan. Looks like Anderson windows. This is a king size bed, so there's plenty of room in here for nightstands. So this is the second bedroom. If you take a look, you can see there's a really nice fenced in backyard for your kids or your animal. There's a fire pit back in the corner by the beech tree. So what's nice about this family room is you have a masonry fireplace, and this is for a heatilator, so when you're having a fire, you can turn the fan on, heat will come out of here. And then what's really nice is it's connected to the backyard as well. There's a slider here, small patio, you can go out to the fire pit of the backyard. This is the 4th bedroom. It's on the lower level. It's a tri-level home, so this is the 3rd level. And this is a nice big room. I'd say it's probably 16, 17 feet long. So the lower level has a full bath with a shower. So that gives you 2 full baths. This is the 4th level, so you have a full basement. And then the owners put in a new 96.2 efficient furnace and a new water heater. So you could have a playroom, exercise room down here, and plenty of room for your laundry.